Hello everyone and welcome to another Unicorn XS video. My name is James and today I will be going more in depth on some tips and tricks on how to decide on a name for your company and how to get it officially approved. The main reason an application gets rejected is because of an issue with the name, and we want to spare the time now before the company name you've spent years perfecting risks being rejected. Your company name is an important decision and maybe the biggest obstacle you face when deciding to start your own business. The name of your company could be catchy, unique, informative or subversive, but whatever it is, it will be defining of your business as you start to grow. So to help you out, here's some ideas that may help you think up a name. Firstly, it will be worth noting what it is that your company does, and from there, become the thesaurus that your English language teacher always wanted you to be and brainstorm any and all words relating to your business. These words could be a great template to start playing around with. You could try combining some words together or think of some fancy wordplay for them. Some examples include Netflix, watching flicks on the internet and smashing the words together, home bargains, selling items for your home at bargain prices, and curries, selling technology. Obviously, a name is subjective and does not need to be synonymous with what your company actually offers to make sense, but it is a good place to start thinking. Alternatively, some of the most successful companies actually use the name of their creators for inspiration of the company name. Think Disney, Tesco, Matalan, James's Fish and Chips Bar. The list is endless. Whatever name you come up with though, you'll need to make sure someone hasn't got there before you and used it for their own company. To do this, you'll want to go into the Companies House website and type in the name. Or alternatively, head to the Unicorn XS app and use our business name checker. Type in the name and we can tell you if your business name is already in use. If nothing comes up in the search bar, you're good to go. However, if something does come up, then it's back to the drawing board. And no, unfortunately, putting an S at the end would not be approved. It doesn't work in Scrabble and it won't work here. This is because any name which is too similar to an existing business cannot be approved. And as annoying as this may sound now, it will actually benefit your business a lot in the future. It should go without saying, but there will be some words that are not allowed to be used in your company name. And this includes swear words and derogatory or sensitive terminology. But if you actually want your business to have customers, then I'd imagine you'd be avoiding using these words anyway. There are other words that you won't be able to use unless you're able to prove that you can use them. And this includes words such as charity, royal, and university, because unless your company is actually one of these, you risk providing misinterpretation to the public. Well, that means my idea to call my new hot dog business the Royal Institute of isn't going to work. If you're able to avoid names that have already been used and ensure that you're not using any words you're not supposed to, then the English dictionary is well and truly your oyster, and you have free rein to call your new company whatever you want. Our advice would be to keep it simple, aim for something unique and something that really helps sell your product. The name of your company is the first piece of advertising you'll create. It's the first thing that your consumers will see and can be a deciding factor on whether they choose to trade with you or not. Deciding on a name can be tough because the decision seems so final. And if you're anything like me, your commitment issues are bound to get in the way. So luckily, you'll be pleased to know that you can change the name of your company whenever you want. It does come at a fee, £8 if requesting to change it online or £10 if requesting to change via post. But that's a small price to pay to ensure that your company's in tip-top condition. So there's some tips and tricks for you to use when deciding on a name for your company. Have you found this video useful? If so, then we would love to hear from you. Let us know how you got on with deciding your business names in the comments section below. Or if you have any other tips for people to use, drop those in the comments too. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked this video, why not check out some of our other videos that are all designed to help get you and your ideas business ready.